Ready, start, para. In our country, rarely do we find land with a clear title because of various fabrications and fraud in land transactions which go both undictated and unattended when dictated. Our investigative or implementation agencies are too slow to bring the culprits to justice, which encourages such persons to commit more frauds and cheat the general public and government agencies, observed the Bombay High Court on Monday, calling for an investigation into an alleged fraud played on the state exchequer over a power of attorney document in a suburban land case. Para. The judgment pronounced on Monday by Justice Jitendra Jain requested the State Advocate General to entrust the best investigation officer in the police department with high caliber to examine this fraud. A proper probe is necessary as it was a huge chunk of land and it will put many innocent people in trouble, said Justice Jain, adding the economic and social consequences of such frauds are very serious and unimaginable, putting savings of hard earned money at risk. Para. Court will be failing in its duty if the fraud and fabrication which have come to its notice are not carried to their logical conclusion and the persons involved are not tried and punished in accordance with the law, said Justice Jain. He added, while it is impossible to stop frauds, the state should consider steps for speedy intervention for a deterrent effect to instill fear and reduce cases. Para. The HC dismissed for want of cause of action three interim applications filed in suits by heirs of a person claiming to the sole surviving partner of a firm that claimed title to land near a quarry on the basis of adverse possession of more than 12 years there. Interim plea was to restrain a realtor, their partners, or representatives from disturbing their use and possession of the land and sought orders to be declared the landowners, but the HC continued interim orders of appointment of a court receiver for 2 weeks to enable their heirs to appeal. Para. The heirs, through senior counsel Pradeep Sancheti, said they sought a probe by the CBI in 2018 to investigate alleged fabrication of documents, particularly the IGPOA under bracket irrevocable general power of attorney, while senior counsel SP Chinoy and Greece Godbole for Romel argued that the heirs made no case of any adverse possession and their plea should be dismissed. Para. The HC directed the registration authorities confiscate a 2010 IGPOA which was alleged to be fabricated. Para. The HC also directed two documents dated December 2016 be impounded by stamp authorities and adjudicate and correct stamp duty. AGP Himanshu Take said the IGPOA was not found in the suburban registrar records. Certain forged and fabricated documents and also inadequate stamping of the documents have come to my notice, said the judge adding the matter was very serious and the Bombay Suburban Sub-Registrar Office should have investigated the fraud. Full stop. Over.